Here, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the rooftop of the Hilton Garden in Da Nang. I've just got myself an ice cold Sapporo. The sun is setting. We're going to be heading into town to get some authentic Vietnamese food. So buckle your seatbelts. Enjoy the view. We're getting out of here in just a moment. All right, the grab has been ordered. We're heading to a place tonight called Hanh Ken. I've never been there. One of my friends is going there. And hopefully they don't care if I record because we're here for the content. Grab bike's arriving. Gotta go. Yeah, let's go. You got a helmet for me? Huh? Yeah, Mr. Grab, man. Can you hold the camera? Okay, thank you. All right, I got my helmet. Let's go. Da Nang at night just hits different. The city glowing, bridges alive with color, and that quiet feeling like you've been here before. Even if it's your first time, it's the kind of place that stays with you. Dear ladies and gentlemen, I'm the American Travel Guy, and this is Da Nang, Vietnam at night. Oh, grab on grab action! Watch out, Mr. Grab!
Ladies and gentlemen.
Dear lady and gentlemen.
Ladies and gentlemen.
Welcome to Vietnam.
Welcome to Vietnam. I love fragrant.
And thank you for choosing Grab.
Thank you.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
In Vietnamese? Yes. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
No, in Vietnamese language.
Hẹn gặp bạn lần sau.
Tell the people, not me.
Hẹn gặp bạn lần sau.
All right, we've arrived here at Hanh Ken, authentic Vietnamese cuisine. All right, folks, the food has arrived. I'm going to give you a quick glimpse. Oh, here we go. Okay, so I was just educated. The lemongrass pork skewers are actually supposed to go inside a wrap, and then you're gonna put some of this lettuce here and a little bit of mint or basil, I don't know what it is, and then you wrap it like so, and then you pull the lemongrass out. See? Then dip it and rip it. All right, the second dish has arrived. This here is called beef lo lot. You may have seen this from when I went to Hoi An. I was at Hoi An, and they have some of the best beef lo lot. But let's give it a whirl. It's beef wrapped in seaweed or something. Oh, good. Tasty. It's like a mint leaf. Here's the deal, folks. I just got educated again. You can put 2 beef lo lots inside the rice paper, dip it, and rip it. Well, that's it for today's episode of Hanh Ken, authentic Vietnamese cuisine. If you're in Da Nang, go ahead and go down and give it a try. If you're new to the channel, like and subscribe. If you've been around a while, drop a comment.